All right, so today we are searching all the boxes and see what we can find. And so far, we found some wooden railway figurines and some parts. I don't know if that one is hard to find, but I'm gonna make this a bundle. I know a lot of people might not be interested, but it seems that I've been finding some parts. There is a remote control Thomas. Oh, this actually the only thing it needs is the motor. Good battery terminals. I think this is a Tomy. Oh, look at this. Is this your original? Yes, it is original. So in all this junk, I don't know if you guys remember when I started making some resin parts. I think this was for Edward. Yeah, so we're gonna find here some even mice poop. I'm gonna be honest with you. There's mice. What part of the Thomas is this? Is this? Oh yes, it is for Thomas. So I have no clue. I think it's for Backman. Motor housing. Is this for a take and play or take along? Let me know in the comments. I have no idea about this one. Oh, it might require some batteries. So I found some batteries and all this junk. This lights up. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Let me know in the comments. I think this belongs to Thomas. I might be wrong, but yeah, it lights up. It might be hard to find part, but it's working. Another thing we found is a custom model I made a long time ago. It was glow in the dark Henry. Obviously, you need like UV light. I mean, it's no UV light. Look, I found this old black light, but it's not working. Dead. We are not gonna find out the glow in the dark Henry. So another thing we found on this junk. Okay, ready? Oh man, unfortunately the handlebar is broken. It's missing. But look at this. I think this one came with Freddy. I think. I don't remember. Let me know in the comments because I have no clue. Yeah, this is Hitoi Company. It's missing the handlebar. Look, beautiful. Yeah, I also find another because I have a lot of boxes. Let me show you. I know it's a mess. Garage are supposed to be for a car, but I have a mess. But I found another shell for. I'm gonna list this shell only, just the top. Was it Bert or Ari or something like that? I always miss this part found on this same box. This cargo is, I think it's from Thomas and the Timber Yard. Okay, here is another box. So I hope I can clear the garage. So what are we going to do now is, this belongs to Cranky the Crane. Oh la la, look at this. Beauty. We are going to search all the boxes, so I'm not even making any videos anymore for, the fix, repair, or restore. I've been trying so hard. You see that? Oh man, to make any progress on this. It's very old. Oh, okay. I know where that thing is. It's right there. But unfortunately, does not have the wheels. Yeah, but this part belonged to Annie. Maybe someone. I'm gonna give it a wash. Maybe someone and it's in need or have the wheels. See, my little one, my oldest son, when he was, this is Lionel, when he was little, he always removed the wheels and everything out of the models. Oh man, it's missing the head. I think this is from Arthur and the Dinosaur. Still someone can find a good use. So I'm gonna make some bulks, listings and parts. Okay, let's go back here. This belongs to Monty or what was the other name? Max and Monty, I think. Yes, Trackmaster. Telephone booth. I remember we did some resin casting parts from Bertram. These faces are good for a custom. Yeah, I'm gonna list these faces for custom. Here's another one. I never had the time or opportunity to post the listing. That's true. You know, for Smudger, this is good for Smudger. I still have the yeah. So we have 3 Bertram faces that will give us a custom Smudger. Yeah, I'm gonna list these faces. So there is a lot of these parts that might not be interested for everybody, but there are some good parts for someone who's collecting. And this one is one of those parts that are very hard to find. You barely see them on eBay. I don't know if this one is for Thomas or friends or not, but let me know in the comments. So since you guys have more experience than me, I'm pretty sure you're gonna find where these parts belong. Here's a stop sign. It should be for something from Thomas, since I always buy. Oh, look at this. I bet you these are hard to find. You don't even find them. This is for let me zoom in a little bit. Timo's sheds, another barrel. What is this? I think it's for take and play. Let me see. It does say something underneath. It's upside down. Yeah, I'm gonna keep searching for the here's another face. So I have 4 faces for Bertram or custom Smudger. I don't know what this thing is. I think I've seen a lot of these somewhere in another box for the musical or talk and action thing, whatever. So memories, resin copy of where was that guy? It's all and broken, obviously. It's fragile. I'm gonna break it anyways. What was the name of this character? I forgot. This is garbage. Hank. Original. What is that? Oh, another. Okay. I assume take and play, since all the contents I always stock them in and pile them up on boxes, 7 boxes. These are Tomy. I remember I sold a lot of these Tomy trees. I'm still finding more. Is this even Thomas, or is it different? I'm gonna set it here. I'm gonna make a bundle for if someone is interested. Trying to find. There's a lot of signs everywhere. This one's missing one blade. What are these barrels even from? Is it for Thomas? Let me know, guys. I have no clue, but I'm trying to search for diesel. Yeah, I'm gonna give them a good wash or clean to some parts. I don't think this belongs to Thomas, or maybe. So over the years, I always buy and sell, and I focused on. Oh, look at this, Thomas engines, and not on the little signs. One of my bird's feathers, and oh, here is a diesel. I think it's diesel. See, since I always move on to the next project over, and I left, I found another. What is this? There's no light or anything. Is it for Trackmaster or Take and Play? I don't know. So what is it? Oh, okay. So we found the set adapter for the Tomy to Trackmaster. Now this part of the I think this is for the this is Take and Play, but this one is magnetic for the Zipsum login adventure or something. And this, I believe it's for Take Along or Take and Play. Some cargo. I need to bundle up all these cargos because I have no idea. But let me know in the comments which of these don't or do not belong to Thomas. Logs for Take and Play. Okay, finding a lot of. Oh, here's another lamp, street lamp. What is supposed to be? Okay, right here's the other one. There is a good find on this little box here. Okay, I do have the long bridge, and this is the middle support. No, these are not the. These are short trestle bridge, but this is supposed to be for the longer version. All right, so let me know if someone is interested in a specific part, so I can make a specific listing, or I will be able. I'm gonna make the bundle or something, or I don't know what to do with this. I gotta do a lot of listings, but definitely I need to do some cleaning. Cannot even see the face. There it is, the face. I'm gonna start with this box, and since I have a lot to do, and then I will be posting all these parts. Definitely need some cleanup, and then we continue with other boxes. But I need to guys, definitely I need to clean. I do still have a lot of boxes everywhere with Thomas Merck. I don't know if you guys remember, I had stacked all the way up. I moved a lot of this from the garage to another house because I had no plenty of room. And then at the end, I ended up the same. I did not move. I mean, I did not make any progress. Okay, let's continue with another video later. Sorry guys, this is a mess, but I no longer trying to fix any of these models, but I'm going to. What is that? I'm pretty sure there's a lot. Zipsum login adventure tracks, blah 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 blah. Okay,